Good morning, book lovers. It is 8:30 a.m. on a Saturday. Let's get the date, July 29th. Letting the dog out. She's like way back there. And I really want today to be a really good reading vlog. So I downloaded a novella on my, that's probably really loud. I had to get away from the AC unit. It was just too loud. So I downloaded a novella on my Audible. So that's like a little bit more than an hour. It's not that much. But I like to have stuff when I'm walking. So if I take my walk today, I want to have a book to listen to. And this one really caught my attention. So I think I'll be able to finish that today. That's only like an hour. And I really want to start my Cherie La Pena book today because I have not been able to start it all week and it's been killing me. But you know, life gets in the way. I'm a mom of 3. That's what happens. But I really want to focus today on reading that book, and finishing it, because it's a pretty chill Saturday. My husband has to go out and do a couple things. Me and the kids are kind of laying low. I might take them to the zoo, go in the pool, that kind of stuff. So we have like a pretty chill day. And in between all the activities, I want to be able to read my books. So we'll see where we get. I have not started reading anything yet. So we're just taking the dog out and getting our morning ready. And so I will check in when I get started. Okay, I'm all snuggled up now. Got the dog at my feet. Got the book ready. I'm going to begin reading. Let's see. It's 8:48 a.m. And I'm going to start it now and we'll see where we get to throughout the day. All right, I haven't done an update and I feel like I needed to. It's 11:35, but I have taken a nap. I've helped my 4-year-old, sorry, he's 4. I keep forgetting. I've helped him, get multiple snacks. We cuddled. I had to rub his back. I've taken the dog out. I've done a lot of things. So I'm only on page 43 and it's, what did I just say, 11:35? Oh my goodness, yeah. So I haven't gotten a ton of reading done. However, the book is phenomenal so far. Loving it. Everything I expect with Cherie La Pena. It's already given suspense. It jumped right into the story. There's no waiting. You're immediately hooked and ready to go. So I'm loving it. And as much as I don't want to put it down, I was feeling just so tired earlier because I didn't get great sleep. So I did need to take a nap. And I don't want to put it down, but my son's like, I need a snack. I need this. And I'm like, hold on. Let me just finish this chapter and I'll get that for you. So book is not disappointing. I'm very excited. I do think that I'll be able to finish it today. No problem. Actually, I didn't even check how many pages are in it fully. Let's check that. Oh my goodness. There's nothing at the end. That's not usual. Okay, 319 pages, so that's really nothing. I should be able to finish that, no problem. So let me go ahead and get back to reading, and I'll check in soon. Update, it's 6 p.m. I look like a crazy person, but that's because I've been cuddling up and having comfiness. I was just outside reading on the hammock, but it started to rain, so I had to come in. But I'm on page 155. This book is so good. Thoroughly enjoying it. I feel like it's just been so action-packed. There's no dull moment in this book. There's no place where you're like, oh my gosh, I can stop here and I'll feel satisfied. It's just ongoing and it's so good and so riveting. You can't put it down. I love this book. I love the way she writes. She's just such a phenomenal writer. I'm really excited to see how this story is going to end. I feel like there's a lot going on, but not so much that you can't pay attention to it. You know what I mean? So pretty excited. Okay, I was getting a little stir crazy at home, and my husband just got home from doing his errands, so I may have ended up here. I do have a good excuse. I have 2 presents to buy, and, not gonna lie, I might look for a couple of other things, but I needed to get out of the house, so we're gonna go stop at Target and hopefully still finish my book later tonight. It's the next day, 8:51 a.m., Sunday the 30th. I didn't finish it yesterday. I ended up taking like a 2-hour trip to Target, and then I was talking to my best friend on the phone for a couple of hours, so it definitely took up some of my time. I don't regret any of it, and it's fine because today's Sunday, so I have plenty of time to finish this book and still start another one, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, it's 12:30 Sunday afternoon. I just finished the book. Oh my gosh. It never dulled in action. Like I said, it was action-packed the whole time. There was no dull moments. There was no time to just be like, oh, what's happening? Or it's, getting boring or whatever. Like, no. Action-packed from front page to cover to the end page. Like, whoa. I loved all the twists and turns. I loved the whole plot of the story. Definitely could be triggering to some people. I'm not sure how I feel about the ending. I'm trying to explain it without giving any kind of spoilers. I don't know. It was good ending. I just don't know if I like the ending. Maybe I'll leave it at that because I don't want to spoil it for anyone who's not read it yet. So I feel like that's the only way for me to express it without giving anything away. Maybe I can say I prefer like a more complete ending, and I don't know. I don't want to give anything away, so I'll say that. So definitely good. I just want more. I think that's what it is. It's like, I want it to keep going. I don't want the story to end yet. I'm not ready for it to be over. I want more. But definitely not disappointed. Cherie, you gave another fantastic story. Now I'm just dying for another one. And it was funny when I was reading this book, I was thinking about how for an author, it must be so incredibly frustrating that it takes you like so long to write a book. And then someone like me can read it within 24 hours or, some people even quicker than that. And it's just like, oh my God, like I read it so quickly and it probably took you a long time because you have to think about all the backgrounds of all the characters, how to put all the pieces together. And to make something so intriguing like this, like you really have to have a really great concept of storytelling. And I just love that about her. And I think she's kind of one of the reasons why I want to write my own fiction book. I don't know if I can do that or if I have the capabilities of her, but I'm sure a lot of it goes into practice. You have to kind of like think about things, and from what I heard from other writers is like you really have to actually understand your characters and like imagine that they're real people. You have to know their personalities and what their background is and what their motives are and what's going on in their life. It's not just something that you can just, go with the flow. Like you have to know these people. Definitely cool and interesting story. I got to go pick another book now because I'm not done reading. I love that I'm spending my weekends reading right now. It is absolutely amazing. We kind of like have been having some chill weekends in this house, and I love it because my kids are upstairs building a Lego Barbie dream house right now. The dog is cuddling with me, and I get to read my books, and my husband's out doing manly things. I don't know, chopping wood or something. So it sounds good to me, and I'm going to go pick another book now. So let's see what's next.